Hey guys, welcome back to Healthy to Hog Wild Food. I'm really excited about this recipe today. It's actually one of my favorites. Roasted garlic Italian beef. The roasted garlic in here will bring this beef to another level. This is perfect for a family dinner or even a party for the big game. However, I do recommend doubling the recipe like I am today if you are serving more than 5 people. Today we will be using beef broth, a couple packets of Italian dressing, roasted garlic, of course, pepperoncinis, drained giardiniera, and I will actually be using chuck tender roast. I actually prefer chuck tender roast over chuck roast simply because they're leaner. Okay, let's begin by adding our meat to the bottom of a crock pot. Now, again, I am making a double recipe, so I'm using 2 3-pound chuck tender roasts. You can actually access the ingredients and the method at any time in the description of this video. Next, we're going to add our 2 packets of Italian dressing. It's just the dry seasoning. From here, we're going to add 2 cups of sliced pepperoncini, along with a cup of the juice. Next, we're going to add our 2 cups of strained giardiniera. And here's where it gets really crazy. 50 cloves of roasted garlic. Just look at that garlic. That's what's going to give us all the flavor. Then we're going to finish this off with 5 cups of beef broth. Pour that right over. This is going to have so much flavor, you're going to be shocked. From here, you're going to want to give this a light stir. Just mix everything around in here slightly. Again, this is going to have plenty of time to build flavor. Then we're simply just going to want to cover this up. And now we're going to cook this low and slow, meaning I'm going to set the crock pot on low and I'm going to cook this for 12 hours. And at the end, the meat is just going to fall apart. Okay, we'll see you in 12 hours. Okay, it's been 12 hours now. Let's take a look and see how our beef is doing. Oh, wow. Just look at how much flavor we built. Just look at how easy this meat comes apart. It's just falling apart. Looks like I've got some work to do here. Okay, after we break our beef down, it should look something like this. Just look at all that flavor in there, the peppers, the garlic, the shredded beef. I'm sure you're saying to yourself, this is just another crockpot beef recipe. But to be honest with you, this is the last crockpot beef recipe that you need. And voila, roasted garlic Italian beef. It doesn't get any better than this. I had fun with you guys today, and I would also like to ask everyone to please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, guys, keep on cooking.